na i-vote out po kami ni Sir Gary. Kasi sobrang na-feel po namin na very supportive po siya sa group namin and also with the other groups.
Oo.
Pero since pareho po kaming nasa group category ng Daddy's Home, naintindihan po namin na sobrang mahirap po sa part ngayon. And so, kung ano man po yung naging desisyon ni Sir Gary, sobrang tinanggap po namin and naintindihan po namin siya.
Oh, parang daughters nga talaga kayo ni Tito Gary.
Yes po. Actually, sabi po niya na parang namili daw po siya between sa dalawa niyang anak. Pero
I'm sure
marami po
nahirapan talaga.
Yes, marami po kami natutunan kay Sir Gary. So, very thankful po kami na naging mentor po namin siya.
Ang maganda dito sa X Factor, meron pa silang naitulong sa inyo dahil ikaw, Ashley, nahanap mo yung daddy mo, nakilala mo yung daddy mo through X Factor Philippines. Nung sumali ka dito sa X Factor Philippines, isa ba yan sa mga goal mo na makilala mo ang daddy mo? Or nangyari na lang?
Opo, actually po nung nag-audition ako, purpose po talaga ng pagsali ko is mahanap po yung daddy ko. Tsaka napakalaking tulong po ng X Factor. Kahit po hindi naman po kami nanalo, parang panalo na rin po kami dahil sa laki po ng naitulong ng X Factor sa amin. Tsaka dami pong opportunities na dumadating ngayon sa amin.
And at least na-achieve mo yung goal mo yun na makilala yung daddy mo. Kaya mga kapamilya, eto na po sila para sa kanilang sample. Give it up for AKA Jam. Though I'm missing you, although I'm missing I found a way to get through. I find a way living without you. 'Cause you are my brother, my strength, and my pride. Only God made a way. So I will get by. Though I'm missing you, there were so many things that we could have said. Oh no, no. And time was on our side. Oh yeah. And now that you're gone, I can still feel you near. So I smile with every tear I cry. Although I'm missing you, although I'll find a way to get through. I'll find a way living without you. 'Cause you are my brother, my strength, and my pride. Only God may know why. Still I will get by. Sweet, where the loss is to stay. When I wait for the day when I'll see you again. See you again. I'll find a way to get through. I'll find a way living without you. 'Cause you are my brother, my strength, and my pride. Only God made a way. Still I will get by. Missing you.